The parish church of Nuestra Señora de Gracia in Mabalacat was founded in the year 1712 through the fulfillment of the Augustinian Recollects mission for Pampanga and Tarlac, with Mabalacat becoming the focal center for missions. Surrounding the parish is Santo Niño Parish, Bamban-Tarlac on the north, Santo Rosario Parish, Tinabang Magalang on the east, Clark Air Base on the west, and San Rafael Arcangel Parish, Mabalacat, Pampanga on the south. Professor Lino L. Dizon, author of The East of Pinatubo, mentioned that the importance of Mabalacat in terms of the Recollect Augustinian Order's mission in the Philippines during the Spanish period is a significant point that the existing generations in the town have forgotten. With the three pioneer Recollectos, Father Andres de San Fulgencio, Father Manuel de San Nicolas, and Father Juan Santo Tomas de Aquino, the mission for Upper Pampanga has succeeded. Thanks to Father Andres, the Mabalacat mission was founded. Aside from demonstrating spiritual acts as his primary labor, temporal matters have also been evident through the building of houses and sowing of farmlands during his tenure, which is a visible sign of reduction, the Spaniards' procedure of Christianizing and conquering the islands. On September 3, 1717, based on his relatos to his superior, Mabalacat had already become the mission center in the Upper Pampanga mission, with at least 1,000 souls present. As the mission for the Upper Pampanga went on, a number of 26 Recollect missionaries served the Mabalacat parish as the head priests during this time. The last Recollect missionary assigned for the Mabalacat parish was known to be Father Gregorio Bueno de la Virgen del Romero, a native of Tarazona, Aragon, Spain. On November 30, 1875, he was appointed as the parish priest of Mabalacat with a total population of 11,163 devotees. The parish elevated into a vicariate status under the patronage of Nuestra Señora de Guía during the Estado General of 1879. This elevation equals the parish as the seat of the Vicar Foreign of the Upper Pampanga Mission. Through the Recollect Provincial Chapter in the year 1876, it was on November 24, 1881, that the parish of Mabalacat was entitled as one of the prioratos or head parishes over the entire San Nicolas de Tolentino province of the Philippines, along with the municipalities of Balayan in Batangas, Santa Cruz in Zambales, and Boa in Marinduque. When the Philippine Revolution reached the localities of Pampanga and Tarlac in 1896, some Recollect missions in Upper Pampanga prompted closure for abandonment. However, Father Bueno remained steadfast in his spiritual talk in the Mabalacat parish. It was on July 10, 1898, when a number of distressed people of Mabalacat were believed to be ordered by a conspicuous family to howl Father Bueno from his convent. Furiously, it was said that the 66-year-old priest was publicly shamed prior to his death at the hands of a firing squad. Prominent traditions noted that his last words were in a form of curse that Mabalacat would cease to flourish. A curse that the Mabalacat people will never forget. The story of the Mabalacat curse was brought from one generation to the other, resulting in its association to the dreadful experiences in the town. Nonetheless, the devotion of the Mabalacat people to Our Lady of Grace was known to be stronger than the curse. Though repairs for the parish were made due to the destruction brought by the Second World War during the term of Father Jose Bondo from 1935 until 1949, the image of the seated Mater Divinae Grati was installed during the tenure of Father Felipe Roque from 1949 until 1959. Father Felipe was inspired to have a carved copy of the image at the sanctuary of Porta Angelica, Rome, and San Giovanni Rotondo, Foggia, during one of his trips to Rome. The installation of the seated image shows the early devotion to Our Lady of Grace. An interview with Dr. Amada F. Tuazon, former Parish Pastoral Council Coordinator of Our Lady of Grace Parish, substantiates the people's devotion to Our Lady of Grace.
Dakala mamadi, ampong itang kindoloris, nung kanang itang batuwe sinabat ulit ping paneing pangadi, prosesyon, rosaryo, ganaganang gagawan kay itang King Dolores Mascopata ito or nano ating kanang sinabat maragula batu banta lungugin da no nga di makaitang miras ng tao nga nagkakini.
On September 21, 1972, until January 17, 1981, martial law became effective under Proclamation Number 2045 by the late President Ferdinand Marcos. Though the safety of many Filipinos were known to be at risk, religious freedom was still present. Dr. Tuazon asserts that Mabalacat people would offer novena prayers in honor of Our Lady of Grace for various intentions concerning current events. On June 15, 1991, the Pinatubo eruption was considered as the second largest volcanic eruption of the 20th century. Locals say that only the barangays of Tabun and Dolores were affected by the eruption. Other barangays were not affected because it was reported that a large rock blocked the possible passages of the Lahar. This large rock was believed to be the fruit of the Mabalacat people's devotion to the patron. Years have passed and the Mabalacat parish still stands with believers and devotees of Our Lady of Grace. With this, several milestones of the parish followed. On December 8, 2017, the church and altar of Our Lady of Grace were solemnly dedicated under the leadership of Reverend Monsignor Felicito C. Season H.P. as the parish priest. It was also during Father Season's time when the main retablo was renovated. As the Christianity in the Philippines celebrates its 500th year in 2021, Our Lady of Grace Parish of Mabalacat City, Pampanga, through the decree of Most Reverend Florentino G. Navarias D.D., the Archbishop of San Fernando, Pampanga, by the grace of God and of the Apostolate See, stands as one of the Jubilee churches under the Archdiocese of San Fernando, Pampanga, after almost 310 years of its existence. The Porta Sancta or Jubilee Door, which marks one of the milestones of the parish, was officially opened on May 2, 2021 through a solemn blessing, followed by the celebration of the Holy Mass with Most Reverend Florentino G. Navarias D.D., Reverend Monsignor Jose Ulacap, and Reverend Father Irvin Ray S. Garcia Ubi. The Jubilee Door features Saints Peter and Paul, who served the church with their preaching, ministry, and martyrdom, becoming the two pillars of the church. This coming 2022 marks the 310th year of the Mabalaqueño faith. Let us join and take part in this anticipated celebration.
Siklod tamo po. Kilagyunig pampo ni nakampoking banalay espiritu. Panalangin kan San Miguel Arcangel. O San Miguel Arcangel, manwalo ka sana kening pamakilaban mi. Antabayanan mo ken salansong king dewa kaning mapamirayang demonyo. Pagamo mo kaya ka kinlupigan niya sana ning Diyos. At ika, prinsipering ehersitos ning banwa, king upayan tinggap mo king Diyos. Patulondongan me king impyerno ay satanas, pati na ring aliwang mga rawak ay espiritong luyin-luyin king yato. At manintong king kasirandaring kaladwa. Amen. San Miguel Arcangel, ipanalangin mo kami. Orasyo Imperata. O mapamakalulo ang mapagmalasakit ay igpami, lalapit kami kaya kakaniting masipit a pamangailangan mi. Adwan mi kaya kaing kambilan nitang ingatan mo kami laban king COVID-19. Amig na lang dakala kasakitan kaya kami at may kamate na karing dakala tao. Adwan mi ngeni kaya kaing balikdan mo kaming mit mong lugod. At iyatsyat me kaya kaming makaulo mong gamat. Intakot mi king sakit at kamatayan, alilan mong kapanayan. Pasiknangan mo ing kasalpantayanan mi at palusukan mo ing masabal mi king metong at metong. Ipanalain mo yung tabayanan mo ring taong mitutukan maninton panulo para kaniting makayawang sakit at mampat king pangakalat na. Ipanalain mo yung pekapon ming pambansa at lokal, ban mamilit sa alila mo karetang bakunang tutong makaligtas kaniting sakit. At gawan daitiye makasalikot at bukod mong paraking kapakananding memalan. Bendisyonan mo yung sablang pamagkapilit mi ban mapupus na iting pandemya king bansa mi. Ipanalan mo rin doktor, nurses at ding sablang lilingap karing mi salunan. Ban makasuyo la karing masakit kang bening belwan at masabal. Pagkala mo lang kabulasan king kaisipan at katawan. Pasiknangan mo yung pamagtagulaling ding sarili ra king pamaglingap karing masakit. E mula paboran miyayawa kaniting sakit. Ipanalan mo retang miyawan na kumayap na lasanang malalagwa. Ingatan mo la retang lilingap karela. Pagkala mo lang alanggang kapaynawan detang mayango na biye. Pagkala mo kaya kaming grasya mo kareting masakit a panahon, ban magobra kaming miyabe-yabe para king kakayap ding sabla, at ban makasapon mo karetang mangailangan at pakakalulo. Mananasanang pauli ni masabal at pamagmalasakit mi, para king metong at metong mikabyos kaming alang kasasagpulan kaniting krisis. Layon tayra na kami king pamagbayong biet kabanalan. Itiaduan mi king kapamnatan ng Kristong Ginu mi. Amen. Lalam na puning kayampunan mo magsakdal kaming magkanlong. O kabanal-banalan na induning Diyos, e musapi sa wiling aklis mi kaya ka king kagulangan mi. Nunebagkus mo kaming ikabos king sablang panganib, o maligaya at kanwana na birhen. Induning Dibina Gracia, ipanalangin mo kami. San Jose, San Rafael Arcangel, San Roque, Santo Padre Pio, San Lorenzo Ruiz, San Pedro Calungsod, kinlagyunig pampo na nakampoking banal na Espiritu. Amen. Lukluk tamo po. Kristo, kingaldo iti pagmasusyantaya, ing kapiyestaning pangabinyag ning Ginu. Panamdaman tayo po yung presensya ning Ginu, busal tamo. At ban magimabungay at makabaldugan, ing kaya katamang pamagmasusi, agkatanda kayong maksanmetong karing panalangin at pamagkanto. Ding intensyones kaniting misa, ila puring makatuki. Kapasalamatan dari Roldan Dancel, Paula Bordon, Manuel and Regina Sibug, Sibal and Sibug family, James Liwanag and family, Sandra Chodoro and family, at kapasalamatan tangang pungatsuketi. Para king makapasubaling kapag nasandari, Jose Pepe Hizon, Elmer Let Villarosa and family, Mr. and Mrs. June Angeles, Michelle and Angel Abarquez, at Marisa and Michael Sibog. At para king kapasalamataning birthday ng Kim Suyon, para po ken 6th birthday na. Para king malagwang kapaldanan dari, Joel Miklat, Aurora Bautista, Rosalina Cunanan, at Susan Balilo Torres. At para ka rin kaladwa dari, Ramon, Dennis, Lilian, Marie, Edilberto, Consorcia, Esmirna, Luis Sr., Marcela, Eduardo Sr., Mario, Isabela, Jocelyn, Bonifacio, Felicissima, Maximino, Juliana Sr., Juliana Jr., Narciso Sr., Angelica, Felicito, Consolacion, Eduardo, Celicerio, Mario Sr., Trinidad, Mario Jr., Juanita, Francisco, Maria, Edwin, para po ken 40 days na po, Estrella, para kin death anniversary, Corazon, Bonifacio, Marina Lozano, at ding maldang kaladwa kin purgatorio. Makyabetang pungini, kimpa magkanto, kindalita pamuklat.